Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have got another haul to share with you guys. I know recently there's been quite a few haul videos. People love to watch haul videos. I mean, I know I do. I love to watch what people are getting, crafty related or non-crafty related. But this is going to be a crafty one. And some wrapping. I think I've got some wrapping bits, yeah. Some ribbons and things for like gifts and things like that I've picked up. So first of all, I'm going to share what I picked up in Flying Tiger. I ended up getting a new tablecloth. I didn't go too Christmassy. I thought this would be quite nice to use before Christmas, during and maybe even after. It's just like nice sort of pattern. Yeah, I thought that'd be quite nice for the table. So, and it's a fabric cloth. I think this was £10, I want to say £9.99, something like that. I don't think I have my receipt to hand, so I do apologise, but yeah, I think it was like £9.99, so I picked up that one. Then saw some ribbon in there. These I think were £2.99, but you get a lot on. So it's 2 meters of each one, and you get 5 different ones, and they're like a not a shiny kind of ribbon, like a matte, really nice, and it feels like a nice quality as well. So I got a couple of those. Then found this. I thought this was different. It's like lights, strings of lights, but obviously you can use them for packaging gifts. But I also thought I could use this on crafts, like if you decorate a box or something like that, you could kind of use this, maybe hot glue this around. I thought it was really pretty. You get 2 meters of that on there, so I got a couple of those. Maybe you could take, I was just trying to see if that actually had a hole and you could take these off, but I don't think it does. I think it is sort of sandwiched in between. But you might be able to put a hole if you wanted to take them off the string and use them as charms. You may be able to do that. But yes, yeah, so I got a couple of those. Then saw these cute little tags in there, like presents. Thought they were quite sweet. So you get a pack of 4. Comes with the ribbon as well. I thought they were really cute. And then the last thing I got was these cards. I'll just grab some scissors. Obviously these are for playing Snap, but I did have these in mind from maybe altering. I've seen a lot of people alter like playing cards. Oh, these are perfect. So they don't, so obviously it's for playing Snap, which is perfect because they've not got any numbers on them. So it's just literally images and then plain on the back. I don't know if you can see that pattern on the back. Kind of move, like looks like it's moving. And then you literally got images on the front. Really cute. Oh, these are really cute. You don't even have to alter these. You could just put these on a card or an ATC. Just put maybe a sentiment on there. And obviously you're going to get a few of the same. Yeah, really cool. They are really cool. So I'm so glad I got those. I didn't see any other ones in there, but I may go back and check. See if they've got any different image ones. So that was Flying Tiger. Then popped into the works, and I saw this ribbon. yeah, I've not seen them have ribbon like this before in the works, but this was £3 and you get 4 meters, and it's like a beautiful, I don't know if you can see that, velvet, burgundy kind of colour. Really pretty. So I thought that was good. Then needed some sticker labels. I tend to use these a lot, obviously for gifts and things. So you get 120 in each one, and I thought I'd stock up. They're 150, so we've got these designs, and these will last me a couple of years. Those designs, and then these ones, really pretty. So I've got those. Got some other tags. These I thought I could make into embellishments for different projects. I'll just take them out and show you. So you get the reindeers and the Santas. You get 2 of each one, and they've just got a shaker. I wonder if I could add, no, I was wondering if I could add more to it, but it is glued in between. But I thought they were really cute. So you get 2 Santas and then 2 reindeers, and he's got like carrots in his tummy. I just thought they'd be cute to add to different projects. So I've got those. Then I picked up these gingerbread houses. You get 3 boxes, treat boxes, and these were £1. I'll just take them out. Oh, they're cute. Just little, obviously fold like that. Yeah, they're really cute. And like I said, only £1. They're great for putting craft bits and sending them out. And you've got that bit, I think that's the roof, to go on top. I'm looking forward to yeah, using those for some different projects, maybe a bit of Happy Mail. So then the next couple of bits from the works, move those that way, is some paper pads. They had a lot of their 12 by 12 paper pads reduced, so they were about £3. So picked up this one. It's got like gonks, gnomes, Christmassy. They're all Christmassy, 12 by 12. So I'll just do a quick flick through. Single-sided. Really cute images. Got these ones you could die cut out. Yeah, so that's that one. Then got this one. It's by Make and Create brand. Again, this one is 12 by 12. I was just trying to see, oh, 24 sheets. Yeah, got 24 sheets in both. And again, these ones are single-sided. I really like these ones, like collage kind of papers. Really pretty. So that's those ones. And then the last one is this one, again 12 by 12. This was £3. This one's got sticker sheets in it, so it comes with gift tagged envelope, a gift box, stickers, and more inside, it says. So obviously it's single-sided papers, so that's a paper. I think you get 2 of each design, like craft paper. These are stickers. That's another sticker sheet. That's a paper. that's an envelope. That's another paper. That's another envelope. That one's cardstock. That one looks like maybe a different kind of gift box. I think that's another kind of box, or like a banner possibly. That's another gift box. And on this side there's some tags, and then it's got to and from on the back. That's a really cool pad. So that was from the works, and then the last couple of bits I picked up from Tkmaxx. They've got all their Christmassy bits in there, and I love all their like ribbons and decorative trims and things. You get 40 yards in total on here, and there's 4 different ones. So you get this ribbon, don't know how much you get of each one, but you get this one, quite thick ribbon. Then this one says Happy Holidays, got little gingerbread men on it, really cute. Pom-pom trim, and then this like rip back. So you get quite a lot, I don't know if you can see that, of each one in there. So yeah, and that was $9.99. And then the last one I picked up is a Laura Ashley one, ribbon, and it's this beautiful velvet ribbon, and then it's got this pom-pom trim on either side, really pretty. And you get quite a lot on there. You get 10 yards of that. I thought that was really good, and that was $6.99. I thought that was really good for 10 yards. That's going to last me years. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Have an awesome week. Bye.